We are Ambush and we are from Karbi Anglong. We feel good to be here again. Tonight, we are going to speak some good song for you. Are you ready? I can hear you. Are you ready? Let's go! Shoot, we cling to you. A rapid bullet to the energy gas to shoot. We gonna start a riot. We wanna see quiet. So defending, gonna stop killing my brother. Open up your mind, listen to your concern. Who would see the suffering of my people? Every one of you has never been true. You done my love and you're bleeding alone. Hands up! Hands up! Don't shoot, we bring to you! You need to help me out. When I say hands up, I want you to say don't shoot. Are you ready? Are you ready? People in the back, are you ready? Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! One more time, hands up!